My name is Pauly Guglielmo. I'm the CEO of Craft Cannery. So previously to working with RIT, all we had was a thermometer in our cooler. So the RIT folks had this ability to do temperature monitoring remotely. In other words, at 5:30 when that cooler went down, I would get an alert on my phone saying, hey dude, you need to head back to work. That right there, that was the selling point. As soon as I heard that, I said, yes, we need that. We're at risk and this mitigates that risk. The original scope was just do the cooler. Well, okay, great, easy enough. Oh, by the way, I'm building a freezer. Oh, by the way, I have these kettles. Oh, by the way, et cetera, et cetera. And they just handled all of it in stride. Yeah, no problem. We can move it over there. Yeah, no problem. We'll troubleshoot this, troubleshoot that. So the number one biggest feature is just, we're gonna get an alert the moment our cooler goes down, and we'll be able to fix it before we lose everything that's in there. Beyond that though is temperature monitoring, which we were able to get a subscription that would show us like a minute by minute monitoring of how that temperature is fluctuating and making sure that it's staying in range and making sure it's working efficiently for energy reasons to make sure that we're being sustainable, but also just to make sure that we're not wasting energy or paying more for our electric bill than we should. A measurable improvement is being able to show off that we're monitoring down to the minute our cooler and freezer temperature, because we are under a lot of food safety inspections and audit bodies and folks who are coming in here constantly, and we were able to show that we can find that information anytime, but then also that we're able to build trend data to show that the temperature trends this way or trends that way at different times of day or when different activities are happening in the building. That made it huge for us to get through regulatory audits and inspections because it showed that we were doing regular monitoring and building trends from the past to understand what would happen in the future. Within smaller food manufacturing facilities, I know that it's made us a bit of a leader in this exact way because I've had at least 2 conversations in the last year where another small food manufacturer was telling me about their cooler going down. And I was able to say, oh, you need to talk to the RIT people, or you need to look into this system. Use the information, use the technology to save yourself money. There were definitely unexpected technical hurdles. They were way too complicated for me to solve. Luckily, RIT comes with actual engineers and smart people who know how to solve them. So every time they would come up, RIT did what any good professional would do, and they said, we have a problem, aha, we also have a solution. And I would just go, great.